Hi Crafty friends, it's Audra Monk, the Crafty Yogi, and welcome to the Crafty Corner. Today I'm telling you all about my Under the Umbrella, and I've got a new name. I'm calling it Crafty Corner at Home. And this is a class that will always feature a stamp set or a bundle of some kind. And how this one works is you will get the supplies to make these 4 cards, one of each. And what I'll provide is the card stock and a PDF with measurements, and some will be videos like this cute, look at this super cute little ribbon umbrella. So there will be a few videos, and look at this one. It's a shaker card. So there will be some videos and some just close-up pictures so that you can put the cards together. The bundle includes the cardstock, plus it includes 1 pack of the iridescent sequins. Look how pretty those are. You will get, now your roll ribbon will be a new roll. Mine is getting to the end. A roll of this, what is this called? Petal pink, I don't know, this pretty ribbon, okay, which is used on 3 of the cards. And you'll get a half pack of this absolutely beautiful, shoot, I don't know what this is called, Perennial Essence DSP. And it's actually on sale, so it made the cost of the class a little less expensive. You'll get this, 1 sheet of each. And let me show you what they look on the back side. So you will have enough for the, ooh, aren't those pretty? You will have enough for the projects because you only need some, and then you'll have leftover to use on other projects at home. If you don't already own the bundle, you're gonna, let's put this in here. You're gonna wanna order that on my website, audramonk.stampinup.net, and use this host code. If you already own it, you're good to go. You'll pay for the kit. The kit is $22 for porch pickup. And if you need me to ship it, I'll work out the shipping because I didn't have a whole roll of ribbon, so I can't weigh it. And I might have to cut the paper in half, which won't affect your projects and your crafting at all, but that'll make the shipping a little less expensive. So I'm working out what the shipping will be. Ink, if you need it, I used black, petal pink, and Sahara sand. But you could totally get away with just black if you needed to. So, see, here's black and black, black and black, black. So it's really only this card. I went a little extra on that and did it really soft with the petal pink and the Sahara sand. But you could do this with black and it would look just fine. And don't, oh, look at my poor card. I dropped the ink pad lid on the card. So I've got a couple little smears, but I'm going to send it to someone anyway. So I think I've covered everything. You need to RSVP by the 17th with payment. And I take PayPal, Venmo, and Zelle. If you live close by, I'll take your check too. But you have to drop it off first by the 17th. So it's probably easier to do the online payments. And then I will order, I will get the supplies, I will package them up, I will cut your paper so that you have the cardstock and the, like the little ornate die part. I will cut it all and it'll be ready for pickup or shipping by June 1. If you have questions, let me know. And I really hope that you want to participate in my very first, although I've done very similar, but my first with this name, Crafty Corner at Home to Go kits. So thank you so much and I'll talk to you soon. Stay crafty.